Hi guys, this is James from Veredictum. Thought I'd show you our demo environment real quickly so you guys can access this too. I'll put the link in the description below. You should be able to actually access a document that we published that walks through this as well, so you can read through the content as well. You can see them actually already logged in right now as Tim Lee over in the upper right hand corner. And if you want to get back to this dashboard at any point, you just click on Veredictum in the upper left hand corner. The dashboard will show you basically your current situation right now. It'll show the products you have uploaded. It'll show your publication data, although we have none in this example right now. It'll show your certificates and your licenses. So those things are future things that we'll be adding to the platform as well. But right now we want to show you some of the other capabilities. So I'm going to click on Content. And in Content, you can see right now we have 3 different videos uploaded. 2 of them are already certified. So you can see the certificates for blockchain in 90 seconds and blockchain beyond financial technology. Above that, you'll see smart contracts in 90 seconds. So this one has yet to be certified. So it's uploaded, but not certified yet. So certification is posting it on the blockchain. So it'll validate exactly who you are, who has the ownership rights of this. So I'm just going to put in one contributor, give it a quick description. Smart contracts. Okay, description of smart contracts, just something simple and easy. You can be as elaborate as you want there. You have over 2,000 characters. Just going to save and continue. Since we only picked one person, it's going to be pretty easy. We're just going to register it to Tim. It'll give ownership at 100%. Now you could modify that if you had more. It pre-populated his information once I put that in. So if you want to put other identity information in there, that's easy to do too. But we're going to continue to move forward. To certify it, and register it, we charge a fee there. And you have 2 payment methods that could be selected today, hypothetically speaking. This is just a demo situation. If you go with a credit card or some type of fiat currency, there's a bit of a fee that could apply to that. This is all mocked up, so don't believe the fee may not be 2.5%. I don't know yet. The Ventana account, though, is what we want to go with, because that's what we're hoping to actually be using in the future for this. So if you've supported us through our crowd sale, you'd be able to use that Ventana to actually do this type of function. So I'm going to use the Ventana account, and I'll certify. So it'll take it a little while to run through it, but what it's actually doing is running a transaction here's the transaction ID, and you can actually click on that and see it. It'll take you to Etherscan. It's something I mentioned before in one of the earlier videos. So it'll show you any transaction going on at this point. So it's been there now for 15 seconds or so. So it should come through in just a minute. We'll jump back over to the Veredictum page, and it looks like has it finished yet? Yeah, there we go. So it'll actually show you the block number at the success. So we can click on it as well. We go right back to Etherscan, and it evaluates that block. Of course, live demo. What doesn't happen there? There we go. I just didn't find it yet. So it ran 42 seconds ago. It shows the timestamp. It shows all the different information regarding it and what happened. So not bad, not bad. So your certificate, you should actually be able to click on and view, and this is what you'll get as a result. Something that basically says that you own it, that the contributor in this case is Timothy K. Lee, and the video is registered to him. There'll be a blockchain registration reference, the content file, certificate information. Those are the important bits of information. So it may not look exactly like this when we get done, but this is a good mock-up of everything. So if we go back over to content, you should see now we actually have the certificate checked. At this point, I'm going to jump over to the piracy detector, and it's going to show how we would present the piracy detection area. You can see detected piracy events of your content, so any of those 3. And you can actually see a breakdown, top domains with your content. Now this doesn't say it's pirated or not. This is just where the content is. Down below, what you can see here is what are the settings for your piracy detection. So the one we just uploaded and certified is smart contracts in 90 seconds. So there's an action you can actually perform here. You can take one of three actions. One of them is no action. Issue a letter of demand or issue a DCMA takedown notice. And if I select one of those, then I have a notification action I can select, and I can pick a different method. So I can have it email me. I can have it message me at Telegram or WhatsApp, WeChat. You know, there'll be different ones, and you can actually configure those in the configure button up here in the upper right. And you can configure authorized domains for that content over here in over here in the setup icon for the content itself. So if you want to say that one particular channel is authorized, one domain is authorized, so we know that it, you know, don't issue the DCMA takedown notice. Just go ahead and leave that one alone because it's authorized. That's what we would actually do. So everything there is all set up. So that's the piracy detector. If you want to take a look at how the piracy detector is working, and then you can see the piracy history. So it'll show you what's happened before. So you know, where was your content found and what happened with it, what action was taken. The last area I want to go into is mining. So with mining, you think of things like mining Bitcoin or mining Ether or mining one of the different cryptocurrencies. So we're not exactly mining in that, but it's analogous to it. So we're using the term. The mining is for the nodes that are searching for your content across the internet and trying to find instances of where your content's been pirated. So right now, if you're mining, in this case, this person's mining, Tim is mining, and he has 29 Ventana that he's earned. He could leave the mining pool if you wanted to and stop mining. That would be fine, no problem there. You set your location so we know the reward structure we need to put in place for you. What is the how do you want to process? Is it through the background? Is it overnight? Is it both? Because if you just want to do it overnight, not in the background, that's fine as well. You know, you're sleeping between midnight and 6 a.m. or something. Your computer's idle. It could actually be earning you Ventana. And then how many, you know, what's the max download per day? What's the bandwidth you want to actually allow to be consumed? So that's a fantastic way of being able to just earn some Ventana while you're also using it to protect your own content. So guys, that's just about everything. Thank you for your time today, and I appreciate it. Feel free to ask questions.